Meaning of gelatin paper.
Gelatin paper.
Gelatin paper.
Gelatin paper.
Gelatin paper. Gelatin paper typically refers to photographic paper that has been coated with a layer of gelatin, which serves as a base for the light-sensitive emulsion that creates the image. The gelatin layer helps to evenly distribute the emulsion and provide support for the paper during development. When exposed to light in a camera, the emulsion on the gelatin paper undergoes a chemical reaction that creates a latent image. The resulting photograph can range in tone from black and white to full color, depending on the type of emulsion used and the development process employed.